Hi guys, welcome back. How are you all doing? So Diwali is just around the corner and उसके थोड़े हफ्ते पहले ही I start doing my skincare routine at home. That kind of also helps me detox all the makeup and dirt from my skin during this time because पूरे साल मैं ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देती हूँ अपनी skin पे, and considering the job that I have, which is YouTube and social media in general, I keep applying a lot of makeup, so that is sort of harmful for my skin and everyone's skin in general. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you few DIY hacks which me and my mom start doing थोड़े हफ्ते पहले, चाहे कोई भी festivity हो या like Diwali, or even if we have to attend someone else's wedding, we do these small little DIY hacks at home and I just want to share everything with you guys, so let's get started. I'm telling you, अगर इन चीज़ों से तुम्हारा ग्लो नहीं आया ना, मैं YouTube छोड़ देने वाली हूँ. Guys, मैं कहीं नहीं जाने वाली हूँ. अभी freshly 190K हुआ है. Anyway, okay, so for the first DIY hack, all you need is curd. That's it, no other ingredient involved. Okay, so why I love applying curd on my face is because it really helps dry up my pimples, जो कि कभी भी आ जाते हैं, पता नहीं चलता है, and जब भी बहुत important occasion होता है तब तो उन्हें आना ही होता है. So what it does is I just apply like very thin layer of it, not too thick, and I just apply it on my acne or acne spots. Like this little baby has just come up, थोड़ा redness भी हो रहा है, so I'm gonna apply it here as well. And anyway, where you have acne, and just leave it for 15 to 30 minutes, and जब ये dry up हो जाएगा, it also gonna dry up your acne along with it. तो बहुत ही जल्दी effective way है if you want to treat your acne, and at the same time it's curd, it's very natural and it's gonna cure your skin from within. At the same time जो acne causing bacteria होता है उनको kill करने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा help करता है. I know ज़्यादा science जा रहा है, but that is actually true, and this is something which I have been doing since my childhood. I have one more here. Go away, pimple, go away. I don't need you in my life. There was one more hack which I keep sharing with you guys in so many previous videos of mine. It was applying morning fresh saliva on your face, on your acne or any problematic area that you have on your skin. And that hack is way effective than this one. I know that must be yucky for, a lot of people. I know I was also there, but I love the results. I love how it just takes away all the pimple automatically. But if you don't want to do it, this is something sort of like an alternative, and yeah, just leave it for 15-30 minutes. Also, if you want to apply it on your whole face, you can do that. I mean, no problem in that. इतना अच्छा ठंडा लग रहा है मेरे को. It feels so nice. I can take a shower in curd. Guys, if you are someone who has a problem of dry skin, so what you can do is just add 1 tablespoon of honey in it for that extra moisturization and you'll be good to go. But other than that, you can just apply raw curd and that is also fine. It's all dried up. Now I'm just gonna clean my face with normal tap water and a cotton pad. I know you guys will ask me कि before doing any of these DIYs which I'm showing in today's video, do we need to clean our face with any face wash before we start doing it? I would say don't, because anyway we are doing deep cleansing of our skin through these DIYs. But if you want to clean your face, I would say you can just splash a normal tap water on your skin and you'll be just done, because even after doing all these DIYs you won't be needing any face scrub or face wash later on. So that's it. And as you can see, इतना soothe out लग रहा है मेरा skin, and जो redness थी, it has gone completely. Can you see that? Loving the results already. Wow. यहाँ की भी रेडनेस चली गई है, यहाँ पे रेडनेस था बहुत सारा. दिस हैज़ गॉन, एंड अभी थोड़ी देर में और धीरे धीरे कम होगा. Guys, for cleanser, me and my mom always believe in using less ingredients, because no point including 10 different sorts of ingredients in any of your DIY hack, because if you're applying just one ingredient बहुत ही अच्छे से on your skin, it's gonna show really good results. Okay, so for cleansers, what I do is I just use some raw milk and I just apply it on my face. That's it. So I'm just gonna use a cotton pad again and just dip some of it here and squeeze it and just apply it on my face, sort of like clean your face. It's very, very calm and soothing and relaxing, every good thing. And again, if you have dry skin, you can always add few drops of honey. Come, honey. Come. Ooh, so pretty. That's it. Okay. So pretty. Wow. I'm just gonna mix it with my fingers only. And that's it. I love adding honey in any of my DIYs because honey has antibacterial properties. मुझे भी बहुत बाद में पता चला था, and that not only helps stopping that ziddi wala acne causing bacteria, but at the same time it's helpful for deep cleansing of your skin. So that's the information right over there. So I have mixed it and I'm just gonna clean my face with it. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को. I want to do it every single day, but considering our busy schedules, even if you're doing this once in a week, you are done. Like, it's more than enough. Wow. Already feel like all the toxins coming out from my skin. ये साफ लग रहा है ना पहले से? मुझे लग रहा है. I don't know, you guys let me know. Done with the cleansing. I don't know if you guys can see, थोड़ा पीला पड़ चुका है cotton pad. I love the results, and milk is anyway great for toning and exfoliation of your skin. Love the little glow जो थोड़ा सा आया है. Moving on. After cleansing my face with milk and keeping it like that for 10 to 15 minutes so that my skin soaks all of it, you can just later splash your face with normal water, and that is it. Here's the afterwards face. And then the next step is my favorite DIY scrub. Again, I have highly sensitive skin type, so I always make sure कि मैं बहुत ही ऐसे harsh scrubs ना DIY करूँ. So I just have the most basic and natural ingredient with me, coffee. And I have little slice of lemon, and I'm just gonna squeeze few drops in it so that my DIY natural mild facial scrub will be ready. This is ready. This is how it will look like. And if you want more grains of the coffee, add like few drops of lemon. मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा डाल दिया because I don't want too many granules of coffee just rubbing through my skin. No, I don't want that. So I'm just gonna so nice. I'm just gonna apply it on my skin and then just gently massage it all over. The reason why I love adding lemon in my facial scrubs is because it just helps in removing acne spots or any kind of spots and pigmentation from your skin, and it's very natural and very healthy for your skin. तो ज़्यादा problem नहीं करता है. Love using it. क्या हो रहा है ये? Anyway, and again, coffee is the natural and the most exciting exfoliator ever, perfect for all skin types, and anyone can use it without giving it a lot of thought. And it helps taking all the rough क्या होता है, rough dead skin cells from my skin, and I just love it. I have wet hands and fingers, and I'm just gonna massage very gently, like way too gently. Don't be so harsh on your skin. It's your baby, you have to take care of it. Also, if you want to make fun of how I'm looking right now, go crazy. I'm all fine with it. I guess I have grown that thick skin where I don't feel weird anymore. ज़्यादा harsh मत होना please. I will cry. So this is how my face looks like afterward. So fancy, so pretty. Okay, so next we have lip scrub. Okay, so we do so much on our lips. Like, we keep applying the best of the lipsticks and we never take care of our lips उसके बाद. We just leave them like that. We do so many things on our face, but we never take care of our lips. So I always try to use this lip scrub once in a week. So what I do is I just take normal घर का white sugar. You can even take brown sugar, whatever you have, and then I'm just gonna add little bit of honey. I have spoon this time. I'm not going to ruin it for you guys. Just little bit of honey. Okay, वो उसी में चला गया. I'm such a mess. इतने science experiments मैंने स्कूल में नहीं किए थे, मैं अब कर रही हूँ. But anyway, you got to take care of your skin. Just add it. So pretty. And then final thing, few drops of lemon. Just few drops. आया ही नहीं वो. Yes, now finally just little bit and that's it. Just mix it all well, very nicely, and then just scrub your lips with it. Wow, it's so nourishing. The honey just makes my lips so smooth and supple. Kissable lips right there. And sugar is again a natural scrub, perfect for removing all the dead skins from your lips. Do you see that white weird layer when we wake up in morning? It also helps in reducing that to a great level. And the reason why I included honey, especially in lip scrub, like face scrubs mein it's very normal, but lip scrub mein why I did it, so funny. But anyway, is because it helps in removing the pigmentation of the lips. You have seen the darkness which happens from the corners of our lips, and beach mein it's our natural color, so it sort of usko balance out karne mein bahut zyada help karta hai. And I'm just gonna scrub my lips with it for like 5-10 minutes and then just leave it like that for another 5 minutes, so that all the good things of these natural ingredient goes into your lips very nicely and very gently. And that's it. It looks so weird, but it feels so nice. I'm telling you, it feels so nice and so soothing. Hi gloss. I'm just gonna clean it with water, and they already feel so moisturized. I don't need any lip balm later on. बहुत ज़्यादा moisturized लग रहा है. Wow, so nice. And it looks so pink now. Good. Okay, so lastly I'm gonna DIY a toner for myself. So I'm gonna again use few drops of lemon in an empty bowl like this, just few drops, and then I'm gonna add gulab jal in it. Now the reason why I'm using gulab jal is because this is what I have right now, but if you are someone who wants to use an alternative for gulab jal, you can even extract some tomato juice or cucumber juice or aloe vera juice, and that's gonna work the fine, trust me. I'm just gonna mix it well like this, and then just soak a cotton pad in it and just apply it on your skin very gently and nicely. Smells so nice and it feels so good. Lemon is always great to reduce inflammation and reduce that acne causing bacteria. I'm just gonna leave it for like 30 minutes here as it is, and probably, I don't know, drink water. So guys, now that I have cleaned my face, before after में काफ़ी फ़र्क है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा brightened up face लग रहा है, glow तो बहुत सारा आया है, love it so much. Do try these DIYs at home. I try to keep them as simple as possible, and उसमें मैंने ingredients भी बहुत ही कम ही डाले हैं ताकि वो थोड़े achievable भी हो. And yeah, let's glow together. Love them. Anyway, let's ignore it. Yeah, that was it for today's video. Like and subscribe. Bye.